Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to send USDT to Tonkeeper wallet. First of all, open the Tonkeeper application. On the home screen, scroll down to the bottom. You will find an option of USDT. Tap on it. On the next screen, tap on the receive option. Then a QR code will appear. It is the address of your USDT. Using this address, you can send USDT to your wallet from any other platform. One important thing is that you must use Tone network while sending USDT to this wallet. Tap on the copy option available below it. It will be copied. Now go back to the home screen of the Tonkeeper application. Scroll up and at the top you will see few options. Tap on the buy and sell option. Here under the buy USDT section, you will see different platforms like MoonPay or any other one like Neo Crypto. It varies, as right now I just have the MoonPay. So select it and tap on open MoonPay at the bottom. Once it opens, enter the amount of USDT that you want to send, then tap on buy now. After that, enter your phone number. Next, tap on the continue option at the bottom and the USDT will be sent. And this is how you can send USDT to Tonkeeper wallet.